Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is no contact. What is happening with your partner? Their love messages, friends. Many of you requested this reading, so here it is now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share, and click the bell icon. If you haven't already subscribed, friends, do subscribe, like, and share. And friends, thank you so much if you have already subscribed. Many angel blessings to you, friends. This is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it will help you out in some way or the other. Also, friends, do join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And yes, do join us on Instagram. I post a lot there, so if you don't get a notification here, you can at least get some insights there about the upcoming post. Sneak peeks are posted on Instagram, friends, as Magic Vents Tarot. Yes, so let's begin. Let's take a deep breath, relax. Today's choices are really exciting. These are nail paints, so kind of. So let's choose option number one, this beautiful magenta nail paint, pink. Option number one, think of your person and then choose. Option number two, this beautiful orange nail paint, orange color. Option number three, this beautiful green. Take a deep breath, relax, and think about your person, and then choose option one, option two, option three. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip to the number that you have chosen. If not, you can, friends, also choose more than one, option also. Maybe you are drawn to two. Choose both of them. We'll also be pulling these love messages which you requested. And let's see for option number one what is happening with your person. If there is a no contact, what are they thinking, what are they feeling? For those who chose option number one, this beautiful pinky nail paint, let's see. This is the advice for you, and this is the romance angels messages. We're gonna look at them in the end. Let's see what's currently happening with your person. 8 of coins, the 3 of wands, the 5 of pentacles, okay, ace of cups. That's beautiful, that's beautiful. The king of rods, interesting. The 5 of swords, wisdom and creation. Wow, friends, I feel your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel like this person, for some of you, this is your divine masculine or divine feminine, friends, because twin flame, because I see that vibe. They are your twin flame, I feel like. So, this person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel they have their sun, maybe their sun sign is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but chances are their moon sign or their Mars or rising or ascendant is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel this person, or you could be, our viewers could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel this person is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yes, friends. So I feel this person has really hurted you. Who? This person has cheated on you, I guess. I think so, yeah. I feel like that. They have been hiding the truth from you. You also felt it, friends, that this person is hiding, not telling you things, and they may have blocked you. They may have, I think there were major trust issues in this relationship. I feel this person has a tough past, like this person has dated many people in the past, so it was difficult for you to trust them, especially when they were trying to run away from you. I feel this person was trying to run away from you. I feel this person is a workaholic. They don't live. For some of you, I feel this person lives in the same city as you are. For others, 50% of you, I feel they are from a different city or a country. They were very, very focused on their work. I also feel there is a mutual hurt. Like this person has seriously hurted you. Absolutely. And they are suffering. They are not telling you, but they are also suffering. I feel this person is showing you off that they are very busy, they don't miss you, they are ignoring you in some way. I feel they are ignoring you. They are pretending that they don't miss you right now. I feel like you may have told this person recently that you miss them, or you kind of said, "Hi, how are you?" Or just like, "Hey," just like a casual, "How are you? Are you safe?" Because of the world situation. This person was like, "Yeah, yeah." This person is trying to ignore you. This person is pretending that they don't miss you. They are trying to work. They are trying to show that they are very busy. I feel this person has hurted you in a very, very strong way, very deeply. I also feel this person is trying, actually, they are still hiding their emotions. I feel this person is, even right now, they are hiding their emotions. This person wants a new start with you. See, they want a new start. They feel very, very connected to you. They feel very attached towards you. They miss you. They are longing for you. They want to offer you their cup of love, this forgiveness. They want your forgiveness. You see this? They want your forgiveness. Doves are about forgiveness. And this lotus is like they want to purify this connection, but they are hiding this fact. They are not telling you, they are hiding it. I also feel, friends, this person wants to take the connection ahead, or they are trying to move ahead from the past that you had, or the hurt and pain. And this person is trying. I feel for some of you, I'm getting a very strange message. This person may have put you in a third party, and they may have tried to move ahead, but I think it was not possible for them. Maybe that person also left them, the person they went away with. Sorry to say, friends, please don't get triggered. Magic Wens Tarot says the truth whenever, whatever it is, and whenever it is. Please don't get triggered. It may not be with your person, because these readings are for a lot of people. So maybe this person chose something else, like work, money, maybe some other person. Maybe they listened to some other person's gossip about you and they believed it. But I think they later found out that whatever they choose left them. They chose something wrong. Good Lord. I think this person, for some of you, chose money. For others of you, they chose their career. For others, this person chose someone else. But I feel that person cheated on them. Oh my God. So now, this person is maturing up. They are definitely maturing up, and this person feels a lot of love for you. They have not said. I think this person realized they love you much more when you went away, and when this connection right now, like you are not in contact, now they are realizing it, and they want to take things forward with you, but they don't know how. And they also see you like as the divine masculine or feminine, as their future husband or wife. They see that you are very powerful, and if they come, you might reject them or something, but they definitely feel a new connection with you. I think you may have also felt this, like they are missing you, or they are crying about you recently. Earlier, I think they were very focused on their future, on their work, on their money. They were also, I think this person spies on you through social media. They keep a check on you, but they pretend that they are not interested in you. I think this person is trying to create ways to come back towards you, but they don't know how to do that. It's like they want to come back again in your life, but they are not sure. They are also trying to create a new start in their work. I feel like they are trying to create more stability, or they tried to create a new start elsewhere in their life, but they were not lucky. That's what I'm feeling. But they want this back again with you. When things didn't work out in other areas, they realized it was better with you. and they now feel very connected. I feel this person has learned their lesson. Karma has hit them, I feel like. Wisdom, yeah, this person is definitely becoming more mature right now. They are learning their lessons. They understand what mistakes they have made, what they have done you. I think for some of you, this person left you or hurted you, and they themselves faced it, or they are facing it right now, and this is what will lead to a more this will lead to more love for you. You know, this person will finally realize that they loved you, you loved them. This person is becoming maturer, absolutely. Let us see some more cards. What's happening with this person, angels? What's happening with this person for pile number 1? In no contact, what's happening? What are they currently thinking? Oh my god. So 3 cards dropped out. Traveling, yes, this person could be traveling. Ace of Wands, definitely this person is feeling very passionate towards you, towards a new, they want a new start with you, because you also have the Ace of Cups. This person wants a new start with you. They can't live without you. They have realized, you know, something is awakening in this person which was hidden in the past. This person is trying to really grow up or mature, and I think it is destiny, universe trying to make this person grow up. Traveling, yeah, this person wants to come back towards you. They are thinking, I think they travel back or think about the time you have spent together. They really miss you. Tuning in. Yeah, see, again this energy is there. Yeah, they're definitely meditating and thinking about the past, what has happened. They often think about you, I feel, even during the day, during work, during night, in dreams. This person thinking about you a lot. See, again, the Six of Cups is here, the dreamer. Yeah, this person has finally realized you are the soulmate, and they let you go. I think this person thought they would be happier without you, or with money, with work, but that's not what happened, much to their surprise. What's blocking this connection right now? Angels, what's blocking this connection? Oh my god. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, inner voice, the wow. The High Priestess. I think this person needs to act on their intuition. Their intuition, their heart is telling them that they need to come and tell you these feelings. They need to make amends with you. They need to say sorry or come back towards you. Also, there is this the Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. They know they need to open their heart. They need to fix things, but they are not listening to their heart, their intuition. This is blocking them too much. They are too much logic, they are too much logical, like Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or they are very passionate, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Ace of Wands. So they are not listening to their inner voice, which you listen to, our viewers. Let's see the advice for you, then we'll look at the messages from your person. So what is the advice for this connection for you right now? The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. See? Oh my god, this is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. I think you both are twin flames or a very strong soulmate connection. Something, some answers are missing right now, some solutions, or something is missing from this connection, some link, or some, like you both are, divine timing perhaps is missing right now. So something that is needed, some answers you need about this connection are coming. I would say you also need to trust your intuition, because this came as a block. So please trust your intuition, your emotions, and stay open and stay balanced, stay alert, because something is going to be shown to you, because also there is this card of tuning in. Let's see your romance angels messages. It is safe for you to love, open your heart, to give and receive the highest energy of all, friends. This is beautiful. Absolutely. Keep your heart open. I feel you are not ready to forgive this person, or I think you are right in what they did to you. So you are right at your place, but keep your eyes open, I would say, because something is shifting in this connection. Let's see the message from this person. Ooh, third party alert. I told you, friends, this person left you for someone else, or they believed in some gossip about you. Good Lord. Or money. Maybe they listened to their family. Now they regret it. They have faced the same karma that they did it to you, you know. I'm sorry if it's triggering to you. I'm really apologize for that, but have to say what I'm seeing. That's my job, you know, to be honest with you. And that's what Magic Wens Tarot is, friends. It's not who I am, you know. I can't lie, you know. So let's see, third party alert. So yeah, this person is focusing on their career right now, on finishing other things. Maybe this person is a student, they are still studying, or they are working on their finances, or they listen to their some friends, colleagues, or family. So that is a third party affecting this situation. This person, I think, is learning or facing what they did to you. If this person left you, someone has left them. It could be a job, it could be a project, it could be a life, it could be like a girlfriend or boyfriend has left them. Someone did exactly what they did to you. Let us talk one more time and make things better. See, now this person is now really, really wanting to talk with you. They miss you. I miss our deep conversations, all night talks. See, this person is now thinking about you all day, all night long. And I love you, but I'm too scared of this connection. Oh my god, maybe this person is young. I don't see them I see them as very emotional, but like they are still not listening to their emotions or acting on it. I'm finding myself the missing link. See, again, something is missing. The answers here is also your advice. Look at this. The answers you need are coming, and I'm finding myself the missing link. This person is working on themselves. They are working on their spiritual path. We will meet very soon. Keep the hopes high. So, yes, friends, keep the hope high. This person is going to meet you soon. Expect a miracle soon. That's another confirmation. Family and karmic ties. Absolutely, this person has some past issues or maybe some karmic. I told you what they did to you. If they hurted you, they are being hurted in the same way, and their heart is being opened and past issues are being resolved. So that's it for now. You can expect a miracle in this situation, in this connection ahead, and I hope it happens soon for you. This is it for now. Magic, please do subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Friends, do let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website, friends, www.magicwenstarot.com, and join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful orange nail paint, let's see what's happening in your no contact situation, how your person is feeling. I will also take some love messages, my own handwritten love messages as you all requested. And this is your advice for the connection. This is the romance angels messages. So let's see what's happening with your person, your connection. Let's see what's happening with them. Wow, 6 of swords. Ooh, ace of rods. That's interesting. King of pentacles, the tower, and the wheel of fortune. That's very nice. 9 of swords, victim, trickery. Oh my god. Whew. I feel your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You both are Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I also feel a very strong Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. So maybe your person is Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, friends, or you are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Wow. I feel this person I feel like you both are not in contact. You both are from different... Definitely you're not in contact because the reading is about that, but you are from different countries. You are not in the same country. You have not seen each other since a long time. I feel this is a long-term connection, like maybe it is 1 year, 2-3 years, 4-5 years, 6 years old connection for some of you. Something has been stuck in this connection since a long time. Wow, I feel I feel this your person is currently not going through a good time. I feel like this uh, I don't know, but I feel like your person has done, this connection ended very suddenly out of the blue. I think this connection was going very good, very nice. Maybe you were best friends or you were very compatible, very, very harmonious with each other. This relationship was very exciting for both of you, but then suddenly things changed and everything went down. I don't know what this person did, but whatever it was, things ended right that minute. I think this person made you very angry, they upset you very much. They did something which was clearly you didn't like. Maybe this person cheated on you, or because there is this card of trickery, so maybe they cheated on you, or they hid some facts from you. I also feel this person, uh, this person is quite a workaholic. They are addicted to their work or something. I don't know what happened, but I feel they made you very angry. When I picked this card, I felt like, a lot of anger. You feeling, our viewers feeling very angry, and then this, everything kind of just went down in this relationship. And since then, I feel you have not been in contact. I feel this person feels a lot of passion for you even right now. They feel a lot of passion towards you, a lot of excitement, a lot of sexual chemistry. That is why I think you chose this. You are drawn to this orange color because orange is also about, sexuality, vibrance, joy, happiness. So I feel this person still wants a new start with you and they are very, very passionate about you. I think this person may have been jealous or over possessive, or you were feeling like insecure with this person, because I feel somehow, I don't know why they were, I'm sorry to say, but maybe this person was behaving a little like, or they had a past where they were a playboy or a playgirl, or you felt like this person was playing with you because of too much passion. So it can, I feel like, I don't think so. This is a casual person, but the way things appeared at that point of time, it looked like they were in for just lust, or they were just for chemistry, for passion, or they were choosing someone else because, maybe this person is very popular. I feel this person is quite popular. They are quite dominating also. I feel they are dominating, they have a lot of people listen to this person. They are pampered, they are a pampered person. So something happened. Maybe they made you feel insecure, or you got very upset with them. Maybe they crossed the boundaries. You saw them flirting with someone else or something like that. I definitely feel currently this person is trying, they are struggling. They are struggling right now because they want whatever, they are stuck somewhere. They want to move out of this separation with you. They are not happy without you. They want to change things. They want to build this new start with you, and they definitely want to come towards you. I think this person desperately wants to make this connection work. But the problem is they don't know how to fix this relationship. I think this person may be having anger issues, or they drink. Sorry to say, friends, but I have to say, maybe right now they have it. Maybe not when they were with you, but right now I feel they have anger issues, or they are addicted to extreme behaviors. Like too much of lust, too much anger. They are working too much, drinking too much of anger. Something is happening. Something is happening. There is also the card of victim. So I feel like this person always tells, like, or they say like they just can't change things because, fate has destined this to be, we are made to be apart. I mean, like, this person is trying to avoid their work. You see, like, this person's hands are tied, but you can see the knot is open. So they can just, you know, if they open their hands, things will work out, their hands will be free. But this person is like, no, fate has decided we will be separate, so we are separate. Fate has decided, I can't do anything, so I'm here, I'm stuck, I don't know what to do. This is not my doing, this is the doing of destiny. This is what they are telling themselves. This is the story they are saying. But how they actually feel? They want to come towards you. They can't live without you. They want to be this dependable person for you, someone you can rely on. If you are a guy, they want to. If she's a woman, she wants to respect you. She wants to marry you. She sees you as the father or of their children. So she likes you, but she's stuck. Maybe she has a strong dominating parents, so she can't change the things with her family, or she doesn't have that much independence. I don't know, but she feels like, this person feels stuck. They feel like this is how it is supposed to be by fate. Things are stuck, things are bad because of because of fate. Trickery. I think this person is tricking themselves that they don't, this is fate. They don't have any choice or willpower here to change things. I think they are tricking themselves right now. Let's see what's happening with this person, then we're gonna take the advice and the love messages. Angels, what's currently happening with this person? Pile number 2. Oh my god, the cards are jumping out. The rebel, yeah, Hierophant, fighting, again Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, conditioning. See, I think this person is quite adventurous, or you are quite, I think some of either you or this or our viewers, you know, you both are quite different. One of you is orthodox and traditional, the other person is a rebel. You do things what you want to do. I feel like this person is someone who tells everybody that, see, I am quite an adventurous person, I can do anything, but right now they are not behaving in any way a rebel. They are, they are just taking things as they are. They are not breaking. They should be rebelling against things, but they are not. That is how I feel. I think you are quite adventurous. You don't settle for less. You don't believe in what people say. You don't believe that destiny is just destiny. You believe that destiny is working. Our viewers, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, I feel this person keeps telling them, no, 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 this won't work, this won't work. I don't know why they are saying this. I feel this is their normal pattern in life. Conditioning. See, this person has some conditioning from many, many past lives. This person, I think maybe their family or where they grew up, I don't know, this person feels like they can't. This person is like they are a tiger, but they have grown up in sheep, so they believe they are a sheep. You know what I'm saying? It is like this person is so powerful, but they are not taking action. Good Lord. Angels, what's blocking this connection? What's blocking this connection? Again, see, Wheel of Fortune is here. I feel this is a very karmic situation for both of you. This is a very strong past life connection. Again, the Wheel of Fortune 1010 is here. So I feel like this person's birthday could be 10, 20, 22, or 13, 14, 11, or 11, 11. You both could be born in November or August or July. I feel like this person wants a change. They are waiting for things to change outside. They are waiting for your perception or your mood to change. They are waiting, like, when everything is ready, I'm gonna make my move. And I think that's how they are thinking right now. Destiny is also blocking you both right now, because I think this person isn't ready to be, because they have come as a victim, as a trickery. So I don't think so they are ready right now to give you anything, though, although they are becoming ready. What's blocking this connection, angels? Oh God, nothingness. Actually, nothing is blocking this connection, They themselves, it's like if this person decides, things would move. but they are not deciding. They have decided destiny will show me. If destiny, it's like saying if destiny brings us together, we will be together. So it's like letting go of things. It's like I will eat when destiny provide me food, otherwise I will not eat. So that's not how it works. You got to hunt, right? You not like hunting in real, like you got to search, you got to work. What's blocking this connection? Past lives. I told you this is a past life thing, friends. Whew, this was tough. This is tough connection. I think you may be feeling very upset and angry with this person. I know why you're feeling that. This is their past lives are affecting. Maybe this is both of your past lives. Something needs to resolve. So let me just ask what will happen in the future, because I see like this is a tough thing to resolve right now, or won't be resolving very quickly. They do feel this passion, this love for you. They want to be your husband or wife. They want to mend things, but nah, right now they are not at all ready to offer you all those things. It's like they feel those things, but they are not offering you. It's like they have it here, but they are not extending that hand towards you. What will happen in the future of this connection? Angels. The source, Ace of Wands. Definitely a new start is coming for you. Again, an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I think this person is, if you change your thoughts about this relationship, if you both feel, if you change how you think, if this person changes how they think, immediately things will shift and move ahead. If they start taking action, things will move ahead. I definitely feel their passion will grow, because you have the Ace of Wands. Again, the Ace of Wands is here. Their passion is growing. It will become so much that they will not be able to resist it, and then they will have to come towards you. Angels, what will happen in the future of this connection? This is a tough connection. Thunderbolt. See, again the Tower is here. So destiny will bring you together, friends. I definitely see if this person is not learning their lessons, I feel destiny will bring you together. And definitely the passions will grow. When the passions will grow so much that this person can no longer stop themselves, that is when you both are again going to be put together into life. Let's see your advice, because this is getting very interesting. I have never done a reading like this where things just keep going bad, or like keep going on the same tangent. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Maybe you both are Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or maybe this person is Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. You could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Bring love into the situation. I feel, friends, you are very, very upset with this person. They know that. They also feel very angry with themselves with what they have done to you. I think you start forgiving this person. I know it's tough. It's not easy. But this is your advice. Bring love into this situation. So I feel it's necessary for you to find some way to forgive this person. Maybe let me know if you want me to do how to heal your heart. Pick a card reading. I can do that. It will help you to heal or find ways to heal your heart or forgive someone who has hurt you. Let's see your romance, angels. Then we'll look at the messages from your person. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. I think, yeah, this is a time you should not focus on this connection right now. Focus on your friendships. Focus on your family. Make some new friends. Focus on yourself for now. I think that's the best way for move forward right now. I feel this could be your twin flame or someone very important to you, because you have Wheel of Fortune, past life. So this is a karmic situation right now. So focus on yourself, friends. It's necessary. Focus on your friendships. Bring love into your life. Let's see what this person wants to tell you. Option number 1. What this person wants to say to you. Okay. I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me now? See, this person knows they have upset you very badly. And they are still upsetting you. Angels, okay. File number 2, what they want to say. Spiritual union is near. Okay, I know I was a jerk, but can you forgive me? Yeah, they did something to hurt you. I'm thinking a lot about you lately. This person really likes you. They think about you daily. I like how the purple of this is and this is matching the color of the flowers and this card. Definitely a very spiritual connection. I will leave everyone and everything that keeps us apart. That's exactly what they need to do. They need to choose you. They need to choose you and leave others. You trigger me and my past wounds. Oh my god, this person is going through some issues, friends. They are sensitive, they are going through some tough times, blocked throat chakra. Yeah, they can't speak a lot. They have some blockages in their chakras. Spiritual union is near. This is a spiritual connection, absolutely, because you have twice the wheel card. You also have the ace of wands twice, two times. You also have the tower two times. So oh my god, this is like insane. You have the tower, you have the tower, you have the ace of wands, you have the ace of wands, you have the wheel of fortune. Here's the wheel of fortune. Goodness gracious, definitely expect a miracle soon, and spiritual union is near for us. So yes, the things are going to get back for you and this person. At least spiritually you both are getting into balance. Let me just pick one more. I feel drawn to pick one more. I am sorry, but I never cheated on you. I told you, you feel like this person was a playboy, playgirl, or they were just like uh, being casual, they were just for fun with you. You doubted that, and I think they behaved very casually, although that's not who they are. They behaved in such a way. I'm sorry, but I never cheated on you. I think someone needs to hear this. I'm sorry, but I never cheated on you. So yeah, definitely I see you both spiritually uniting and this connection progressing, although it will take some time. But definitely that's how or where it is going. That's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vens Tarot, like and share, friends. Please do subscribe, like, share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. And I post a lot there, so if you don't get notifications here, you can join us on Instagram to get all the notifications, so you never miss a reading, friends. I post come every day. I post two three times a day, so you can always subscribe and like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye. Hi friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful green nail paint or this new green color, let's see what's happening in your no contact situation, what your person is feeling. Friends, please do subscribe, like and share our channel. I'll also be pulling love messages as you all requested, and I will be, this is your advice for the relationship right now or for the situation. This is your romance angels messages. We're gonna look at them in the end, and your cards are, wow, the Six of Cups, the Judgment, the Page of Swords, the King of Cups. This is nice. Ace of Swords, the Seven of Cups, and Complacency and Perseverance. Wow. Wow, so I feel your person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel you both could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or your person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or our viewers could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel you both could be either Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, so maybe our viewers could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel like this person and you are, this, I don't know what's wrong. I think this person sees you as their soulmate. This is an old connection. You both may have studied together, or you both have worked together, you have known each other since you were kids, or you are from the same city or college or worked. There is this connection of innocence between you both. They see you as you are the soulmate, as someone who is very close to their heart, their mind. You understand this person very well, they also understand you very well. But I feel like there is a cold war going on. I think there you don't want this person. I feel like instead of this person closing off, I feel our viewers don't want to talk to this person right now. You are like, nope, I'm not going to see you. No, I don't want to talk to you. No, no, no. I can hear you guys. I can hear you. I can understand you. This person I feel may have, I think the reason you feel so upset or angry with this is with this person or this situation is I feel this person choose someone else, or they were confused about you, they were not acting on this connection, they love you, they want to offer you everything, but they were not acting, they took too long to act or decide on this connection. I feel they may be married to someone else, or they were when they were with you, or there was an ex partner, or some parents telling them something. So, this person was thinking about something else. So, it took some time in not able to decide on you. It frustrated you. You moved away. You are like, nope, I don't want you. You're always confusing me. I feel this person may have come and went away from your life. They keep coming back, going away. Keep coming back, going away. It's frustrating for you. I also feel like either both of you are married. This may resonate with some of you or with all of you. I don't know. With few of you, it may resonate. Like this person and you both are married, or like marriage is an issue. Either this person is married, or you are married, or this person wanted to marry you, or you wanted to marry them, but you couldn't. Something about marriage is affecting this connection. I also feel like currently this person is feeling a lot of love for you. They are overflowing with love for you. They may have recently messaged you. If this is a new connection and you are not talking to this person, they definitely miss you. They feel you are the crush, you are the person for them. They want to talk to you, they want to offer you this love. I feel you met on social media, or you talked frequently on social media, WhatsApp or social Instagram, Facebook, etc. They want to offer you this love again. They want to be your person, the person who's taking care of you, protecting you. There is an age gap between you and both, at least a maturity gap, absolutely. This person takes a time, like they are slow, they are very slow, or they take very long time in making a decision. I feel even right now they want to come towards you, but they are still confused. Still confused, yeah. They are still confused, friends. If you think they changed, I think this person is still weighing their options. Should they come towards you? What will happen if they come? If they don't come, what will happen? If they propose you, what will happen? They definitely want a breakthrough with you. They definitely want to be talking with you again. They want to break the ice. They want to talk to you again. But no, this person is still confused. Perseverance, I feel, your connection, your love is very strong, your friendship, your bond in this connection is very strong. This connection can take anything. You guys can go on without talking for years but still remain in love with each other. This is a very beautiful connection. You are friends first and lovers second. This is very beautiful. They know this connection will last, so that is why I think sometimes this person can take a liberty, like, yeah, the connection, you won't go anywhere, so I can, this is, she's here, he's mine, he won't do anything, he won't go anywhere. Complacency, I feel this person is too lazy to act. They are not taking a decision, and that's the biggest thing that's affecting you both and keeping you both in no contact situation, because this person feels this love. They know even if they are married or with someone else, they know they want you, but they know they want to be with you, and that's their destiny, but they are not taking action. They are just sitting. Let's see what else. Let's see what else is going on. I feel this person may be trying, if they are in a different city or country, which I feel they are, maybe in Europe, Canada, France, New York, New Zealand, somewhere or anywhere, they are near water. They want a job in your city or near you, or they are planning to come near you. I feel this person is planning to come near you or shift or relocate but near you, but they are not, they are thinking about it but not yet taking action. What's currently happening in this person's life, angels? I feel this person could be married or something, or they have like families telling them get married. They want to go for higher education. I don't know what's something. A lot of different things are coming for all of you. Wow, see the world definitely, definitely the Ten of Pentacles is here, and conditioning again. See, this person is also stopping themselves. They are their own problem. They want this family. I think their family is interfering too much, or they listen to their family, or they are already married, as I told you, or they have someone else. Maybe they have a child, or you are married, or something like that. Or they want marriage, or you want commitment, and they cannot right now offer it to you. So they want to offer, come with a commitment towards you. So they don't know, should they commit? Will everybody agree? How will it go? I think the current world situation is also affecting this person. I think their career is affected, finances are severely affected, or maybe they are working too much. Like this person is a doctor, healer, because you chose the green color. So I feel this person could be a doctor, a healer, into law, into army or police. So this person is working a lot. So they are like, when do I commit? When do I give time for relationship? What's blocking this connection, angels? You are upset. You are also blocking this connection, our viewers. You are like, don't come near me. See, exhaustion. Yeah, this person is tired. I think you both are a little tired of this connection. Not the connection, but I feel your person is very tired. They are overworking, over stressed out because of finances, or because they have too many things, thoughts on their mind. What's blocking this connection? Receptivity and isolation. Three of Swords, guidance. Three of Pentacles, Queen of Cups. Lots of cards fell out. Ten of Swords. Oh my God, lots of things are stopping this connection. The first is like, you are hurt, our viewers are hurt, or this person is hurt. So I think you are hurt, our viewers are hurt. You feel like this is the end of this connection. You don't want to see them. This person is stuck. They don't make up their mind. They take too long in making a decision. It's frustrating for you. You can't wait for this person forever. You feel like that way. That I told you, our viewers are blocking this connection also, because you are like, why can't they decide? And I think you are watching this reading to know if this person has decided on you, or they have made a mind on something. I think they are still stuck. They are still deciding. Sorry to say, friends, if you are, choose a different pile perhaps if you feel this is not the thing for you. The Three of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants to, they want to work things out with you. They want to work things out with you. They know that you are the guiding spirit, is guiding them. You are guiding them. Everything is telling them to make a move towards you and open their heart towards you with this connection. Take a risk, take a step out, towards you. But this person is like, no, I don't want to. They are stuck. What will happen in the future of this connection? What will happen in the future of this connection, angels? Wow, number 5, 5 of Wands, totality. I think this person will try to come back towards you, but they may still be unsure, or they may not offer you commitment. This may again cause some arguments between you and this person. Okay, tuning in. I think there is still some time, take some time. I feel this person will be coming back towards you. Oh my God, your cards are flying. Eight of coins. Yeah, this person will come back. They will want to work things out with you, and or they will call you, contact you, or you both will have some conversations. But you need to stay open, friends, to this person and not push them away, because I do see some arguments can happen when they come ahead, because they have yet not decided which way they want to go. So that can create an anger between, or conflict, argument between you and this person. Let's see the advice. I think advice for you is very important. Nothing is yet set in the stone, mutable moon. Yeah, so this situation can go anywhere. This connection can go and end to marriage. It can. It has that potential. This is a very strong connection. You both are very strong soulmates and very, very much in love with each other. There is no question about you both being in love. But this situation can go anywhere right now, so keep your trust on this situation right now and stay flexible. It can go, it can change and become better, or it can remain as such, because nothing is yet set in the stone. Let's see your romance angels, then we'll look into the cards of your messages. Flirt, extend your light-hearted energy to others. I think this is a time you should take some time to enjoy life, be more playful, not get so worked up with this person or this situation. Also, I feel some new connections or friendships may be coming your way. So keep your mind open. This person will also be happy if you both are friends first and then lovers. So yeah, flirt, enjoy a little what this person wants to say. Oh my god, I won't take all of these because that's the whole bunch. I'm tired of fighting. See, there is a lot of arguments, fighting. I feel because they are indecisive, they don't choose you. They keep coming and going. Okay. Okay. I dropped a card. Let me just pick it up. Alright, let's see. I was weak and scared then, but I am sure right now. See, this person was weak in the past. They didn't know what to do. They were not sure and they regret it. Right now, they are changing that. I'm tired of fighting. I told you, they don't want to fight. If they come back and you both start fighting, this person will run away. They are like, nope, I can't take it. Expect a phone call, text, or meeting. I told you. This person is going to call you, friends. Yes. Good news is on its way. Absolutely, friends. Good news is coming for you. Maybe one day our paths will cross again. Okay. So maybe this person has, for some of you, 10 to 12%, maybe this person is married, or, they feel like nothing is set in the stone. So they feel there is still time for them to come towards you. So maybe they feel like one day you'll definitely meet again. No one can ever replace you. Yeah, see? They can't replace you. They still think about you every day. We are going in cycles. I hate this. I told you, they don't like fighting with you. They don't like this loop you and this connection has got stuck in. I don't know why you are so mad at me. I told you, friends, I didn't even I shuffled these cards in front of you. How can I make this up? See? Everything I told you is what these cards are saying. I don't know why you are so mad at me. I told you, you are upset with this person. Sometimes I want to call you, but something is holding me back. This person wants to call you, friends. You are super cute. Oh, wow. I think some of you don't remember how much this person loves you. So they are trying to tell you you are super cute. Can you trust me again? Can you trust me again? This situation can go anywhere, friends. Keep your trust high. You also chose this beautiful green color. So friends, definitely something wonderful can happen in this connection. Keep your trust open. Keep your eyes open. Many angel blessings. Do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Like and share, friends. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, friends, please check our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Friends, please join us on Instagram. If you miss readings notification here, you can join us on Instagram. I post every day there about the readings. On YouTube I post, so you can get a sneak peek ahead of time also, so you never miss a reading. And I post other stuff also there, so join us. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.